If you're looking for a dashcam that combines cutting-edge tech with a discreet design, you might be eyeing the VIOFO dashcam A119 Mini 2. But what sets it apart from the countless other dashcams on the market? In this review, we'll break down its features, performance, and value so you can decide if it's the right choice for your vehicle. The VIOFO A119 Mini 2 is a sleek, 2K dashcam designed for drivers who want high-quality footage without the bulk. It boasts the latest STARVIS 2 IMX675 sensor, which means it can capture crisp, clear footage even in low-light conditions. Whether you're driving during the day or night, this dashcam is built to eliminate noise and motion blur, ensuring that you get clear and detailed recordings of your drive. Key features. Let's dive into the features that matter most for the everyday driver. First up, we have its impressive 2K resolution. With a maximum 1440p at 60 FPS, this camera ensures that you don't miss any crucial details on the road, such as road signs, license plates, or even incidents. The wide 140-degree angle helps capture a comprehensive view, minimizing blind spots in your footage. Next, the A119 Mini 2 uses DOL HDR technology combined with a large f1.6 aperture lens to give you superior night vision. Unlike many cameras that struggle with low-light conditions, this dashcam can balance dark and bright areas, allowing you to read license plates and other details even in dimly lit environments like tunnels or poorly lit streets. Another standout feature is the voice control. With simple voice commands, you can lock videos, take photos, or adjust settings without ever taking your hands off the wheel. This hands-free operation increases safety by allowing you to focus on the road. Plus, with built-in GPS, you can track your driving route, speed, and time directly on your video files. Pros and cons. Pros: superb video quality. The 2K resolution with HDR makes for clear, sharp images, even at night. Compact design. The small size means it can be discreetly mounted without obstructing your view. Voice control, a hands-free option that's incredibly useful for on-the-road adjustments. Night vision. DOL HDR tech ensures high-quality footage in low-light conditions. Cons: no rear camera. While it offers great front-facing coverage, there's no rear camera support, which is a deal-breaker for some. Parking mode requires separate purchase. To unlock the full parking mode functionality, you'll need to buy the HK4 hardwire kit separately, which is an added cost. Comparison with competitors. When compared to other dash cams in its price range, such as the next base 522GW, the A119 Mini 2 holds its own with superior video quality and a smaller design. The next base has a rear camera, which the A119 Mini 2 lacks, but it's bulkier and more expensive. If you need a rear camera, the next base may be a better option. But for a compact, high-quality front-facing camera, the A119 Mini 2 is a strong contender. Build quality and longevity. The A119 Mini 2 has a solid build, and with the inclusion of a supercapacitor instead of a battery, it has better heat resistance, ensuring it won't overheat or degrade in extreme temperatures. This feature also enhances its longevity, providing consistent performance throughout its lifespan. However, for long-term reliability, you'll want to pair it with VIOFO's high-endurance micro SD cards for the best results. Customer support. While I haven't had personal experience with VIOFO's customer support, the brand has a solid reputation in the dashcam community. Users generally report quick responses to inquiries, and their products are known for being durable and easy to set up. Who it's for. The A119 Mini 2 is perfect for anyone looking for a quality dashcam without the bulky size. It's best suited for daily commuters, rideshare drivers, or anyone who wants clear footage for safety and insurance purposes. If you're after a complete front and rear setup, you may want to look at a different model with rear camera support. Conclusion. Strong option. If you value high-quality video, compact design, and hands-free operation, this is one of the stronger choices in its class. For most buyers, the A119 Mini 2 offers excellent value for money, especially with its superior night vision and user-friendly features. If this breakdown has been helpful and you want to stay ahead of the curve with top-notch product reviews, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more. Thanks for tuning in today. If you have any thoughts on the A119 Mini 2 or own one already, feel free to drop a comment below. Until next time, Keep your ride automated.